Yo guys, this is Kaii from Belgium, and today I'm gonna make the drift and drop tutorial. I'm gonna try to put a Google Drive link in the description where you can download the presets. If I'm too stupid to know how to put them there, it's gonna be a DM on Instagram and I'll send them to you. But I'm gonna try the Google Drive link, it would be much easier for you guys and for me. If you don't know how to put presets on your loop station, I recommend watching Sweet's tutorial. He has a tutorial on how to do it. Great video, so go watch that if you don't know how to do it. I'll put the link to Sweet's tutorial in the description, so it's easier for you guys. Also, English is not my main language, but I'm gonna try to pronunciate everything as good as possible for you guys. So yeah, if there's anything you don't understand, just ask me on Instagram or in the comments. I'm not too busy. Just ask me and I'll help you out. And yeah, once you have your presets on your loop station, we can begin with the tutorial. So okay, so for this part, I decided to make a separate video. We have our vinyl flick at A in bank D for the track effects, and they are put on track 5 here, and I'm gonna dub them on the beat. So this is the beat, and I'm gonna dub them. Okay, they're not on point, but you know how it's supposed to be. And then I go to undo, so I press on undo and I take them away. And after that, they're still playing, but for now I'm gonna put them off. I press edit for track A with the vinyl flick. I press left arrow, and there is an insert edit, and it's set on all. I will put a photo on the screen. It's set on all, and I'm gonna put it on track 2 only. And then I press one time right arrow, and I change my effects type from vinyl flick to distortion. Once I did that, they're still playing like that, and I press these 3 on, so I press B, C, and D on, but I try to press B at last, so it's that one editing, and I make sure it's all the way here. We will need this for the last drop, and then I change back to bank A. I don't know if you can see it, so I change back to A. And then normally you have your melody here, and then I put that one on and I turn this one off, and yeah. Okay. Gonna put the auto tune off. You can put it on if you want to. And then here, drift and drop. Drift and drop. Drift and drop. In reverse, drift and drop. Drift and drop. 3, 2, 1, yeah. Drift and drop. Drift and drop. Okay, gonna put the auto tune off. You can put it on if you want to. And then here, drift and drop. Drift and drop. drift and drop. In reverse, drift and drop. Drift and Three, two, one, yeah. Drift and drop. Drift and drop. And that is it. So that was it for this video. I hope you're able to do the track now. Google Drive link is hopefully in the description. We'll see. I hope everything is clear enough. It was harder than I expected, so I made the steps for the things that weren't visible enough in my opinion. And also don't forget to maybe watch the video in a lower speed. It might help as well to really see what I'm doing, because I do a lot of things and I do them fast. That being said, have fun with the track.